Don't insult a customer when you're doing tax evasion. Hello here. I'm from Korea and I just noticed this sub. You people are just hilarious. So anyway, here's my petty act of revenge on my former hair salon. In our country, stores are not allowed to refuse issuing a receipt, and 2, charge different prices to credit card and cash users. If they do that, it's tax evasion with a rather large fine, but the taxation agency can't usually find out whether a store is doing such practices without a customer reporting them, which doesn't happen often. I mean, why report a store when you get a discount for paying in cash? My hair salon was no different. They charged $2 less to pay in cash and had a habit of skipping receipts. However, the last time I went there to do my hair with my mother, they charged extra prices for procedures that were, to say the least, completely unnecessary, such as a so-called extra vitamin hair cream, whatever that means, with the result that they charged $20 more from the original bill. A ripoff, to be honest. So my mother got mad when she saw the bill and asked they remove the extra charge. They refused, and to tell a long story short, they were very rude with the refusal. Won't go into details here, but they actually called my mom a miserly beggar and obnoxious woman and threatened to call the cops if she didn't fuck out this instant. My mother would have started a fight right there and then, but I stopped her. I simply turned on my recording function on my phone and paid the bill, innocently asking whether they charged more for credit cards and didn't give out receipts. Then when I was sure their admittance to tax evasion was on tape, I told them to apologize to my mom for what they said, or I would take matters into my own hands. Now they didn't know about one thing. I'm a business major with plans to become a lawyer, with the result that I know rather more about tax law than your average student. Of course, they laughed at me. But you bet they weren't smiling one bit when I pulled out my phone and reported their tax evasion practices to the authorities, with the recording as evidence. From what I heard, they got a rather heavy fine, 25% of their earnings, so I guess I won.